YouTube, what's going on? We back at it again. So you got that boy Key Glock response to Blac Youngsta shooting a music video, standing by a headstone with young Dolph name on it, you know what I'm saying? So everybody already know that boy Blac Youngsta been in Dallas performing on stage, and he performed his diss song he made against young Dolph, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of people wasn't really feeling his show, so that boy end up continue to diss young Dolph, and that boy Grow Hero end up pulling up in his neighborhood, you know what I'm saying, at his grandma's house, to let people know what's going on. And that boy Blac Youngsta end up dropping a new music video, you know what I'm saying, and a lot of people on Twitter going crazy speaking on Blac Youngsta, you know what I'm saying. So y'all let me know what's going on. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. You got that boy Key Glock letting everybody know he'll catch 100 years messing around with Blac Youngsta, you know what I'm saying? Cause at the end of the day, he lost that boy Young Dolph, and everybody already know they was very close. So that boy ain't trying to be talking and playing around, you know what I'm saying? Cause right now he ready to do whatever he got to, you know what I'm saying?